It's got to.
The battery was off.
Radiator fans might not spin.
That battery sounds
Ooh,
low.
she sounds low. Uh-oh. Come on, baby. There's literally icicles hanging from it. The intake is full of snow.
Okay, it might be wise to find some ether, you know, some starter fluid.
Yeah. Oh.
This might help our cot.
Never seen snow like this. Never even seen a snowmobile until today. Oh, she's good. Heating her up. Buddy, speeding up the process here? Making a little gap for
Well,
the
I'm trying to find
starter
a spot
fluid?
for some starter fluid. You're just gonna have to go right into the filter.
There she goes. Come on, baby.
Looks like a lot of horses.
Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Dude, get them seat heaters cranked up, brother.
I'm going.
She's good. Oh, you got him going?
Let's let it run for a minute.
Yeah.
Hopefully melt all this snow away a little bit.
Dude, look how much snow is inside of this thing.
Snow on the belt. Get a wrench and half throttle blade.
All right, we just added a little bit of throttle blade to her. Now she's purring like a kitten. There we go, dude. We're dialed. Yeah, sounds good. Sounds perfect.